This is Jimmy over here at Classic Honda in Orlando. All right, Mark, so based on our conversation, I'm even more confident that I found the perfect vehicle to enhance your family's lifestyle. I'd like to introduce you to the all-new redesigned 2026 Honda Passport TrailSport Elite. Now, right off the bat, you can see amber daytime running lights, super aggressive. It's a new thing with Honda they're going with. And let me tell you, if Chuck Norris was driving in front of this vehicle and looked in his rearview mirror and saw this bad boy, he'd be intimidated. I know I would. Coming on over, right below, there is steel reinforced skid plates, which is made to protect your oil pan and your gas tank. So say you get a little bumpy in the mountains, you don't have to worry, you won't get stuck. All right, now coming around, I want to explain something to you. Honda is proud of this vehicle just for the simple fact it was designed with the intention to handle up to 50% of the trails in the United States. And the tires, 31 inches, all-terrain tires made for off-road capability, but also what's even a huge positive, it has TrailSport logic. What that means is if a wheel comes off the ground, the other wheels are going to apply up to 75% torque to keep you in control. What does that instill? Confidence in all of your trails, whether you're going fishing, wherever, you and Cheryl and the dogs will be drooling with excitement in that backseat, let me tell you. Coming on over, you'll notice this beautiful all-new color for Honda, ash green, but also what's really unique, there's a piece of plastic up here. That's designed intentionally in case, Cheryl has heavy equipment she has to move around like the lights. She could rest it on there or fishing rods, what have you. And on the back end, you'll notice something very distinguished, rock hammer taillights. Now, that basically signifies perseverance and freedom, the freedom to go and do whatever you please without worrying about if you have to second guess yourself. Can I do this? Can I do? Nope, that will never come to your mind with this vehicle. So down here, you'll notice you got your tow hitch. You can tow up to 5,000 pounds. So if you have that small boat when you go fishing, perfect for you. Now, as you see, this has a power lift gate. Inside, 44.6 cubic feet of cargo room. It's a backpack design. You have little compartments in the corner. If you open this up, you can fit in a full-size spare tire or a Honda generator to power your lights when you guys are doing some B-roll outside. All right, Mark, follow me inside. I want to show you something real quick. Now, like you told me, I know you enjoy the finer things in life. Like Steve Winwood said, you'll be back in the high life again with this car, 12-speaker Bose surround sound system. Is that a smile on your face? Mark, let's get this paperwork going.